Alright, Owen, I just happened to hear these guys making noise. I thought I'd come out and videotape it. These gondolas are filled with railroad ties, and they're getting ready to put a new crossing in for us. So this is just part of it. And that job, that'd be kind of fun, wouldn't it? So I guess they're going to put new ties in all the way down. That's pretty cool. The first half of the train for you, but I was talking to Grandma Judy. And here's the rest of the train. Alright, now I'm going to move to the front here and see if I can get the front half of the train. Okay, there's the front of the train, and look what it's being towed by. It's being towed by a truck. Rails. I bet you've seen those before. MOW train, maintenance on way. And that truck, when it's done, it can come off the railroad tracks and drive on the road. And I guess that's as close in as I'm going to get it. Wish you were here to see this. It's kind of fun living on the railroad tracks, seeing all this stuff. Alright, buddy, I'm going to let you go, and I bet there will be more things coming down the road, so I will keep you posted. Alright, take care.